and welcome, and thank you for clicking on this video today. This is just a quick video to show you a new teaching tool that I've added to my teacher toolkit. It's really impressive. It's sort of like a running record, but digital. It's integrated into Microsoft Teams, and it is called Reading Progress. So stick with me while I walk you through the process. So you'll first need to create a class and also add in your students. Once you've done this, you press on Assignments and Create, pressing on Learning Accelerators and clicking on Reading Progress. This will now open up the program. Now, I apologize, you can't see the three buttons at the bottom, but you can upload your own text. You can also choose a sample text from a library that they have, which is separated into grade levels. And you can also generate your own passage. You can choose a topic, age, you can choose the length of the test, and challenging words are words that the student previously had trouble with. So you can also see if you can add those words into the new passage as well. Once you're happy with the passage, you can change the complexity if you want, but you can only do this once. You then press Use Passage. On the side here, you can put in the reading level if you like. You can choose fiction or non-fiction text. Number of attempts, so that's how many times a student can attempt to read the text. You can add in a time limit. You can also change the sensitivity of the pronunciation. So at the moment it's set to default. Reading coach. So this is a really cool feature. So we'll go into that in a minute. You can also click whether there be a video or just a voiceover as well. So with the reading coach, that'll identify words that the student mispronounced or omitted, or there was an error in some way, and it will give them 3 different activities to help support them learning to say those words. So you have hear the word, stretch the word, and you also have see a picture. Atmosphere. Once you're happy with that, you can save it. You can also add in comprehension questions, so you can add in your own, or you can also generate questions. You've also got the option of how many you'd like to generate. Now, it does give you multiple choice questions, and it also gives you a short answer question. Once you are happy with those, you save them. Now, when we come back to this table here, this is what will be posted to the student. So you can give it a name. You can add in instructions if you want to. It's got a date and time that the assignment will be released. And there's other things that you can add in there as well. And then you press post. Now this screen here is a student screen. It has accuracy, expression, and comprehension. So all the things that they did. This screen here is their expression, and those little tags will tell you how their expression was. So there was limited expression, there's extended pauses, they might have missed punctuation, all those sorts of things. Here it'll tell you their comprehension quiz, it'll tell you how they answered. And then the other tab is their accuracy. And their accuracy will tell you what words were correct and the words that had errors. And the different colored highlights will tell you exactly what type of error it was. So for example, just like a running record, where it's got insertion, you can then insert the word that they used instead of the word that was in the text. You can also add in repetitions, self-corrections. You can go back and manually do it yourself as well. Now, this is all done from a video. Like I said, a video or voice recording that is at the top, so you can listen to the student read. There's also a jump to section as well. So when you press that button, it'll jump to that part of the text where that word error was, so you don't have to listen to the whole thing again. Over here, you can create a challenging word assignment for the student. There is also a reading progress report, which is going through now, where you can see a graph of their progress. And here you can also customize the sort of student report that the student will get. Overall, it is an amazing program. I actually haven't used it yet. I'm really looking forward to trialing it out with my class this year. This is my first video, so I'm hoping to upload lots of videos of different tutorials and how-tos in terms of using educational tech in the classroom. Thank you for joining me. Bye.